Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about another perfume from J. Dot collection, and it's Pleasure this time. So Pleasure is one of the most expensive perfumes from J. Dot Women's collection. So I have very high hopes with it. So let's try it and see how effective it is. But before we proceed with the video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below which kind of videos you would like to watch on this channel. So let's start the video now. So here's what the box looks like. To be honest, the packaging of this perfume is very impressive and I'm sure it will be a great gift for someone special. But this is only about the packaging, so let's not hurry and see what's the fragrance is like. It is blue colored jewelry box like container. There's a golden clasp at one end. So let's get this plastic off and see it more closely. The outside is like a fabric feel. The fabric has flowery patterns printed on it as well. The front of the box also has the same texture just as the perfume bottle is. So yes, this is how the box is. On the rear side of the box, some ingredients are mentioned, which are just three basic ingredients: alcohol, fragrance, and water. So let's open the box now and get the perfume out. Here's what the bottle looks like. It's very textured and same blue colored bottle with golden cap. The bottle is noticeably thin and I like that because it is easily handled. So let's see how the fragrance is. Also, please note that I only give my opinion on fragrance after I use it for a while. So I will include my review on this perfume in the same video, but I have used it for quite a while now. One important point here before we even start to discuss about the fragrance is that it is really very irritating to the eyes. I don't know why, but unlike other perfumes, if you spray it from afar, your eyes are definitely gonna burn. So be careful with it, and I don't know if it's me or is it really irritating to the eyes. And I'll invite any one of you guys who have used it, please tell us in the comment section below, is it really the case or is it just with me? Alright, so let's talk about the fragrance now. Here are its main notes. This perfume comes in a bottle of 100 ml and its original price is 4,200 rupees. But right now it's on sale and it's for rupees 2,520. Keeping in view the price, the fragrance and the main accords are not anything unique or anything special. The top notes are citrusy and fruity, having mandarin and blackcurrant. Mandarin is what makes it citrusy and blackcurrant is what makes it more fruity. Then come the heart notes, which are mostly flowers, and they are tuberose, ylang ylang, and some hint of jasmine as well. And maybe there is some orange blossom, although it is not listed on the website, but I can smell it, so I thought it is also included in it. These all flowers are all very commonly used flowery fragrances in the perfumes, so there's nothing unique in its top or heart notes. These flowers are not even my favorite, and the top notes do not blend well with these flowers, so I don't know whether I like the combination of top notes and the heart notes together. The citrus part in most of the J. Dot perfumes is too overwhelming, and because I'm not really a fan of citrus fruit smells, I don't like its top or middle notes as much. The interesting ingredient for me in this perfume is patchouli. I love when a perfume has patchouli in it, and in this case its base notes are sandalwood and patchouli. So I think there would be some musk as well, and the notes are not listed in detail on the website. So there's a chance that it has some musk as base note. But let's talk about patchouli. It gives it a calming and a soothing effect. and I love its fragrance. And to be honest, when I tried this perfume for the video, I only liked it when its top and middle notes are gone, which is, I guess, due to patchouli. So summarizing its fragrance, when applied, it's citrusy and fruity, which I'm not a fan of. Then when the top notes are gone, it's flowery combined with woody. But without its top notes, it's very, very sweet. So it's a sweet flowery, and don't forget the woods here. The sandalwood not only is can be smelled in its main notes, but it can also be smelled with the flowers as the middle notes as well. Then when it's faded down, it becomes a calming woody and patchouli fragrance, which I love. So I only like the last stage of this perfume. The middle notes are okay, but the top notes, I really don't like the citrus. This citrus doesn't go well with the sandalwood and this fragrance. Overall, the top notes are not combined well with the middle notes, I would say. And when you apply this perfume, first you smell the citrus combined with flowers, the sweet flowers. And when the citrus is gone, you can only smell the sweet flowers along with some sandalwood. And then when both top and middle notes are gone, you can smell sandalwood along with patchouli, which is my favorite part. So I only like this perfume in the end. The projection is not outstanding too, but when we talk about the performance, it does last for around 8 hours. So the performance is good, but projection is not great. So this perfume is okay. Is it worth the price? I think not. It's way too expensive for what it offers, and I wonder why I don't like it that much now when I have purchased it, because I really liked it in the shop, but now when I can smell it exclusively, I don't like it that much. And I don't think you should spend 4,200 rupees for it, but since it's on sale at the time, so it's good time for you to buy it for trying, just to check how it is and whether you like it or not. Do I like it? I think it's okay, not a unique fragrance, but not very, very bad. It's a good fragrance, but not very special or very unique, and not worth for the money. Will I buy it again? Probably not. I would instead buy some other perfume from J Dot collection, or maybe from some other collection. Should you buy it on 40% sale? Yes, you should buy it. On its original price, maybe not. You should not buy it on for 4,200 rupees. So I guys, I think I have answered most of the questions as well, and that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I helped you with this fragrance. If you like this video, please hit like and let me know about your opinions in the comment section about this video or about this fragrance or anything which you like to comment. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.